Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. On your knees, on your knees, on your knees. You have your passport with you?
Have I right to explain myself or no?
Yes, yes, you have the right to lawyer. So, first we will introduce ourselves. As you'll see, I'm the Chief of the Fugitive Search Unit at Bureau of Immigration. So, we're agents of Bureau of Immigration Fugitive Search Unit and other agents from the Philippine National Police. So, we have been aware of the video that you posted. That's why the Commissioner of the Immigration, Bureau of Immigration, issued a mission order to arrest you. So you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in investigation. And you also have the right to counsel. If you cannot afford one, the Bureau of Immigration will provide one for you. Do you understand those rights that I described to you?
Yes. My question is, I've never been arrested before. What can I take with me? What I can?
You can take your personal belongings and your